Okay, so this is a test of the 720p, the 1280 by 720. Hi there, this is a tutorial on how to organize a WordPress blog or website with the list category posts plugin. Make sure that you have the latest version, which is 0.48. I just reactivated it after upgrading it in this blog. So, let's go ahead and demonstrate what this new feature, this new shortcode that you have, what it can do for you. So, as always, when you're entering in shortcodes, make sure you're in text mode. Now, the primary shortcode to this feature is the catlist name equals. So, first that you do, what you do is pick a category that you would like to list. Let's go ahead and try out the artist level category. So we went ahead and chose artist level. We plugged that into the right side of the equation, catlist name equals artist level. Now here are the results. All of the posts in that category are now listed. Now, let's say we wanted to combine two categories. Let's go ahead and add by key to this. So we add the plus sign by key. Let's go ahead and preview. So we're adding these two categories together. Here we are at another example. So we have the blues category. Okay, so catlist name equals blues. We put the number post equals 22. Pagination, yes, instance once. What that looks like is the number here is 22. Pagination, that's what this means, yes. So now we can go to the second page of what's in that list. Now we could put this number higher if we wanted to list everything in that category. So that's how that works. So as you can see, this is a great way to use your categories effectively in a WordPress site. Another nice feature of this shortcode is catlist author posts. and then username. And so if you have a user or a student or a member of your WordPress membership site, you could custom make a page for your active user to showcase all of their posts. This would be good for a bulletin board in a WordPress site. Now, what sets this shortcode apart from the others is its ability to not only display categories but also tags. So let's go ahead and find some of the tags you commonly use on your site. So this particular lesson, Raven's Daughter, has jazz as a tag. So let's go ahead and experiment with a jazz tag list. Here is an example of using this plugin to sort your posts with the tags. Catlist tags equal. Go ahead and find a tag. Let's say country. Let's say we're going to want to list or otherwise cross-reference all posts or lessons that you've tagged country. Go ahead and update this. So using this method of sorting data, while we do not have a checklist feature, certainly the user can remember where they are on the list. So that aspect may be low tech, but if you're sending your user, your member, your student to posts with lists of lessons that are sorted or even cross-referenced based upon category and tag, you should be able to send them to a specific post, and then when they complete everything on that post, then they can go to another one. You could essentially create a type of module. This could be a module. So you have a certain tag. In this case, it's jam. It's listing the default number, which is 7. You know, we could change that, as we talked about earlier in this video, and even make it page sortable. One idea is you have the people go through this, and then when they're done, have them leave a comment, reporting to you what they've done, comments about the course, comments about the experience. So then you can keep track of who's been here and what they've done. Maybe ask them what they skipped or what they liked best. Very simple, very elegant type of solution there. That's one idea. We could also add some type of clause here where we moderate the comments and people could write a private note to you or public. You could say something like, you know, mention you want this comment private, and then you can just respond in email. Otherwise, it could be posted. And that's a type of bulletin board in and of itself. You could have a discussion taking place right here. And you could also very likely link that discussion to the Facebook page or to Facebook. One strategy could be for every member of your site, after they fill out a questionnaire, you custom build a post for them using the tags and categories that would be appropriate to that individual person, and then send them that link. And then when they're done with their lesson, I believe you can even embed video. You can embed your video URL. Your YouTube embed code goes right here. So each and every page is a potential bulletin board. That's pretty good leverage. Being able to sort your data directly into a one-page post that can automatically be shared in all of these social media outlets, but also a type of bulletin board and comment system that people can post videos and interact with. Here is another very simple yet effective method of organizing data, and that's in columns with the column shortcode. So in this case, you have the column, and then I'm listing the tagged jam content, closing that column off, and then in the second column, I'm listing the category of popular songs. So this really short block of code has it look like this. So here's the jam tag, and here is the category of popular songs. So one idea is that you send people to pages like this that you custom design based upon your own creative mixing of your categories and shortcodes. Maybe you have a category that's 101. Then you have a category of content that's 102. Then you have a category that's 103. Well, you could create a 101 column here, and then you could create the tags that back up that 101. And then when people finish the 101, they must submit a video here. They could just comment and leave a link to the video, or actually embed the video to tell people that they've done this, and then they can move on to 102. This right now is just named tags test, but you could name it start here, and then you could list all of your relevant content right here. Something easy to see, easy to click. Now again, it's true, we don't have a checkbox method. But hopefully your users, just like reading a book, sometimes you have to kind of remember what the last page you were on.